Okay, so we're going to be going over a couple basic passes today, passes and transfers. More importantly, we're going to be going over passes that can be done continuously from one hand to the other without needing to reposition the knife in between the passes. Like I said, we'll go over the two basic ones, and there's a lot of different passes out there. And I chose two that were simple to learn and at the same time very smooth and flowing once you get them down. Has a good flow rate to it. There's a lot of different passes that even if you have them down, they don't flow as well as they should, especially when you're working with backhand grip type of passes. So for the first one, you're going to be holding the safe handle. It can be done from the bite handle, but most likely whatever move you use to initiate to get into the pass, most likely you're going to end up on the safe handle. And to start the move, you're going to do kind of like a windmill or a quick draw. You're just going to bring the other handle up. So that being said, here's how we initiate the pass. Take your left hand, move it face up or palm up on the back of your right hand and swing that handle up. Now grab onto that handle, and when you're learning this slow and broken moves like this, and grab it by the sides. Once you have the motion and the rhythm down, then you can grab the handle full. But if you're doing it in broken steps like this and following along, grab it by the sides for right now. Now as soon as you catch that, you're going to start a downswing with your catching hand. So you're going to be turning your left hand palm down. Now you're going to take out your right hand and move that face up on top of your left hand. And do the exact same thing. Turn it palm down. And then start to pick up your speed. Until you have the basic mechanics of the move down. Now to smoothen that out even more, once you have the feeling and the rhythm for that, now you're going to do a little bit of a gentle toss up into your other hand, meaning you're going to let go of this safe handle before you catch it with your catching hand. And you're going to anticipate the catch. So you're going to be starting that downswing already and turning your palm down as you're catching. So you're anticipating that and you're already catching it in that downswing. It's hard to do slow, but once you get that, then you can start picking up the rhythm, and you want to keep it close to your hands and have it smooth. Also on the downswing, once you come down, you're pretty much turning all the way down like that. Don't try to just stop like that. Continue and absorb that downswing and bring it immediately up. If you're on the downswing and you pause, even the shortest pause is going to keep the momentum going in these handles, and it'll come up and it'll bite you on the knuckles. So down, then up, down, then up. Don't go down, then pause, and then back up. And that's your basic pass. Okay, the next pass we're going to be going into is the basic twirl pass. You're going to need to know the horizontal opening for this move. If you don't know that, I do have a tutorial on that. You can check that out. Also, Cutlery Lover has a good tutorial on that as well. Here's how we get into the move. Going to be starting out with the knife in the closed forward grip here, bite handle on the left or away from you, and you're going to initiate the horizontal opening. So swing out your bite handle, twist the handle so it lands in this position, and out and over your index finger. Now, instead of just going into your open as you normally would, you're going to open that around your index finger. Your catching hand will be with your index and your thumb. So you're going to swing the bite handle out and around your index finger. Your thumb is going to come around the back edge here and grip that safe handle like that. So your thumb is going to be on the left, index on the right. Then from there you just go back into a horizontal opening. So it's going to come out and over. And to complete the continuous pass, you would come back around. Like I said, once again, you're gripping between your thumb and your index on the safe handle. And go back into a horizontal opening. And then start to pick up your speed. The point of this is to get as smooth of a transfer as you can, and it's a little bit hard to do slow once you can do the move, but you want as smooth of a transfer as you can, and you want it to look identical in both hands. Another point of interest here is once you get the mechanics of the move down, I'm showing you to kind of grab the handles like that, and it's an unnatural position for your arm to be in. Once you get the motion down, you'll notice that when you swing this around, that's going to wrap around your finger, and you're going to be pretty much catching it in more of a normal position of your hand with your knuckles forward like that. So you don't have to catch it in an unnatural position. And that's your basic twirl pass.